Welcome to Stoked in the Park, a first of its kind music festival within a festival that started here in Pamplona. Stoked in the Park is so much more than an accommodation option, although we do offer all-inclusive packages in tents with sleeping bags and mats. There's a river, there's yoga by the river, you can swim in the river, you can float down the river. We've got plenty of grassy space and shaded spots to chill out on when the Spanish sun gets too spicy. Food. Sporting fields. Climbing wall. For climbing. Mini golf. We've got transport every day at multiple times from San Fermin running of the Bulls to Stoked in the Park and back again. We've got pool parties.
Yeah, you know.
Why is nobody wearing Speedos?
Well, I don't know if you know, but everyone has a big penis here.
Oh, that's where I went wrong. What I would like to see is you in a Speedo.
No chance.
I think it's a pretty important part of the European pool party scene is to have a nice tight budgie smuggler.
I agree.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
What else do you need, do you think?
Couple of cabs. I was going to say maybe
A couple of cabs. What other requirements are there to be like a successful European pool partier, do you think?
a lot of sangria. A lot of sangria, yeah.
Do you feel like the guys are hotter than the girls here? And then of course, there's the music.
She got lost in her fortune every time you stick it over me. But she belongs to the laws of 60.
So we're here with the man, the myth.
The Maverick.
He's not a seed, he's not a peel, he's a pip.
Absolute pip.
Kiwi
Absolute pip.
pips.
Yeah.
First set of the day.
First set of the day. It came at a good time. It's beautiful. In a beautiful place, beautiful people, beautiful music, we hope.
We think so, absolutely. Who the heck are you guys?
Higher ground.
And? And we're done! Where are you guys from?
Sydney, Australia.
What do you think of the party? Stoked in the Park. In Espanol.
Bueno. Es buen sitio. I love it. I think it's very well set up.
She'd shine over me like a summer, no other. I fell in the breeze like no other could love me. Down on my knees, tell me don't bother, but I couldn't see. Vision was studded, now I'm singing, please.
Mesmerizer from Sydney. Now, is this your first time playing in Europe?
Yes.
Yeah.
First Europe tour.
Yeah,
Which is awesome.
And how is it?
fantastic.
Yeah, it's great.
Very good.
Someone mentioned, Miles, this might be the first time you've been out of Coogee.
The rumors are true. This is my first time outside of Coogee. The grass is greener on the other side.
There's always free booze, unlimited booze and music, and there's a lot of people, and I don't know, it's a good time.
It's a great time. It's beautiful. I mean, it's such an old town. It's incredible.
We've got the awesome church up there, we've got the flowing river behind us, there's a lot of stuff going on, there's a lot of good people having a good time. Yeah, it's good shit.
Imagine the good fortune that we have to be sat here with Paul the Kid.
Unbelievable.
Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Have you had a good time so far?
It's been chaos.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been, I mean, I've danced probably decade. I reckon a decade plus of dancing.
just over the last 2 days?
Oh, absolutely. I start the dance floors.
I need advice. I gotta fatten up to fuck all night. I need advice. I gotta fatten up to fuck all night. Said help. I need advice. I gotta fatten up so I can
Well,
fuck all.
now I have the pleasure of being sat here with 1/10 of the 84-member band Honey Haze. What the fuck is a Honey Haze?
Honey Haze is a sweet and smoky blend of psychedelic funk music.
Hey there, my gypsy lady. You know, you're driving me crazy.
What do you think of this concept? What do you think of the festival within a festival?
Very much enjoying it. Did go down to Rum and the Bulls this morning, got there a bit late. Great vibe here.
All I can say is I've enjoyed every minute of it, and I hope for many more.
I don't know where to go now.
Golden skin with an earring to match. 'Cause baby, I'm on fire.
Is it kind of cool? Swirly Dan? Yeah. Swirly Dan's going to play tonight his solo show, the Swirly Train. Do you want to tell us a thing or two about the Swirly Train project?
Yes, gladly. The Stoke Train's an intergalactic train made entirely out of human thoughts, and we basically travel from Earth to. Most of the time, we just go Earth to Jupiter. No, Earth to Pluto. All stops, but we express at home because the train overheats and it's a bit wonky.
Let's go!
And that is what the Swirly Train is. What do you think about the setup here, the scenery, the vibe, the marbo?
There's some very saucy people. Many saucy people.
What more do you need out of life? Apart from a river, some grass, a bar, some booze, and some saucy people.
Saucy people.
So we've got 2/3 of Utmost Science.
The best 2/3, really.
There's the third.
That's not really important. I think it all got a bit too much for him after the show last night, and after lots of partying, and he's somewhere in between tents trying to survive.
In the spirit realm.
Yeah, in the spirit realm, in between the worlds. Gravy, do you want to tell us a little bit about the whole setup here?
Absolutely. So we're in Mendigoria.
A beautiful town up on the hill just there. You can see the steeple and the town right there.
It's over there.
Just that
We
direction.
could probably do a cut to the people.
Now the cut happens here. Look at this beautiful town. Isn't it wonderful?
You guys debuted a new single last night.
Yeah, we debuted 2 new songs last night. We try to, try out new material when we play live. It's a good way of road testing stuff. And we like to be sort of scientific about it and say, at 3 minutes 23, I saw a frowny face. And so we go in and massage the thing to do good.
We've been Out Mr. Science, and this has been Stoked in the Park.
And everything would stop.